Good day, Mom. So today I will going to discuss about the relationship between recombination frequency and the distance between genes in a chromosome. But before that, let me explain to you, Mom, what is genetic recombination and gene mapping. So genetic recombination is when genes from parents mix together to make new combinations in their children. This happens naturally when living things reproduce and is one reason why children are not exactly like their parents. It adds variety to each new generation. So when we say genetic recombination is mauni siya ang process nga magmix ang gene sa parents para makamake og new combination sa ilang offspring or sa ilang anak, like their characteristics. So that's why different jud ang appearance and characteristics sa offspring. Next is what is gene mapping. Gene mapping is the process of finding the exact location of genes on a chromosome. It's like making a map that shows where each gene is found, helping scientists understand which genes are linked to certain traits or diseases. So ang gene mapping, it's a process gihapon ni siya to discover kung asa jud nga exact location malocate ang gene sa chromosome. So mura na siya mapa sa atong gene sa DNA. So like for example, if ang inyong family is diabeticon, so gamiton ang gene mapping para mahibaw-an kung asa nga part sa DNA ang naay connection sa sakit nga diabetes. So through this process, mas mapadali sa mga scientists ang pag-study about aning nga sakit para ma-cure dayon. So next is, let's go to the main question. So the relationship between recombination frequency and the distance between genes on a chromosome. First of all, recombination, it means, is the process where genes mix or exchange places during the formation of new cells, such as in the production of sperm and egg cells. So it means ang recombination, ang gene nagmix na siya para maka-make og new cell like sperm and egg cell. So what is recombination frequency? Recombination frequency refers to the percentage at which two genes are separated during recombination. So how is this related to distance? When two genes are close to each other, they rarely separate. So mag-separate. This means the recombination frequency is low. But if two genes are far from each other, they are more likely to separate. So the recombination frequency is higher. So if ang two genes kuno dugol ra sila, bihira or rare jud kay na sila magbulag. So it means low ang ilang recombination frequency. But if ang two genes are far from each other or lagyo sila, so magbulag or mag-separate jud na sila, so mas higher ang recombination frequency. For example, ang gene A ug gene B is 5% recombination frequency. It means mas duol sila sa chromosome. If ang gene A ug gene C na ay 20% recombination frequency, it means mas layo ang ilang distance. So in conclusion, the higher the recombination frequency, the farther apart the two genes are. If the frequency is lower, the genes are closer together. And that would be all, Mom. Thank you and God bless. Once again, I am Mariel Paulo.